Hey everybody, George Chamberlain here, watching your dollars on this Wednesday morning, the 15th of June. That makes it the Ides of June, I guess. Yesterday, a real good day on Wall Street, and we haven't had many of those over the last 6 weeks. The Dow was up 123 points and got back above 12,000. Didn't last very long because at the get-go this morning, we went down sharply, triple digits to the downside. We're working our way back slowly. We're down about 70 points as we record this a little after 8 o'clock in the morning. So we'll kind of wait and see how the dust settles out here. There was a manufacturing report that came out. There's a lot of regional manufacturing reports that come out from one particular source, and it was not a good number, and so that's what's kind of scared the markets. The inflation news today, no big surprises. The cost of living for us folks, the consumer price index, rose by 0.2% during the month of May. Not a big surprise there. Up 3.6% over the past 12 months, which is a little bit high, and you can blame almost probably the vast majority of that on higher energy prices. So we'll kind of see as they've come down now if that moderates in coming months in here. Big day yesterday for JCPenney stock. It was up 17% after it announced it had hired a new CEO, but it wasn't just some guy from the retail sector. It was an executive from Apple, a guy that is really given the credit for expanding and creating Apple stores, which have been a big success. I don't know how that translates to a retailer like Penny's, but Penny's, unfortunately, for some reason, I actually like JCPenney stores. I think they have pretty good merchandise, but a lot of other people don't. And so it's been considered one of the more troubled retailers out there. Whether or not this guy can turn it around, I don't know. Hot IPO today, a company called Pandora Media. I don't use this, but it's a very popular online radio service. Priced their IPO last night at $16 a share, and as soon as it started trading today, it jumped right up to $25 a share, so a big bump of about $9. Company's been around for a long time. It started 11 years ago, and the name of the company then was SavageBeast.com. Somebody said, you know, that's really not a real good name for a company if you want to go public, so they came up with Pandora Media, which is still kind of a stupid name. What's interesting, in the 11 years that it's been around, it's lost $92 million. It is yet to turn a profit, but investors on Wall Street are all gaga over this thing, so maybe they know something we don't know. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlain. Have a good one.